Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about some basic fundamental topic of Java. Inside this topic, how to take output in Java. For output we have to remember one line always. This is our line system out print hello world. Now it's mean here we use system class for output. Now what would be the class here? We will study it later in the topic name oops. Whenever we are writing this line, the output will be printed in Java. The bracket which is attached inside this line and in it we put double quotes and we will write whatever thing in between this double quote will be printed to the user in our window or our console. Along with this, also there is a semicolon after this line. All sentences in Java end with a semicolon. Your line will continue as long as you don't put a semicolon. Many students ask if we put single quotes instead of this double quotes, then our output will be printed. The answer is this yes. Here we are doing use editor that is VS Code. Apart from this, you can use do it with any other editor. First of all, we will create a file. File name is output. After that, we will write public class output and inside we will write our main method public static void main string argument. The whole code is called boilerplate, means the code we would have already received. We will be slowly understanding about this code in the coming videos that what is class, what is static. Inside this method, we will writing our code. We are talking for output system dot out dot print hello world and semicolon. We wrote this code. Now here's a button that runs our code. We will click on this and hello world is printed. If we write anything between in double quotes, it will printed. We will writing this line again. Run this code. Now this same line is printed. We had want that print into different line. For this we have to put backslash n in double quotes. After that run this code. Then in the next line will print. After that, apart from this, there another way to print. If print ln is used instead print now this code, it will print next line. Remove backslash n. Again run this code. It will print next line. Let's talk about one question. Print the pattern. We have to print the star. We will print like this: one line, one star, two line, two star. 3 line 3 star and 4 line 4 star. We will try to print this pattern by coding. Whenever we write south, tap on it, then the automatic system.out.println comes. A star writes in it. It will print in one line. After that, we will write two star and copy this, paste it, write two star. Same thing writes four times. Here we will write three star and here we will write three four star. Now we will have run this code. Now it is print as wanted. When we will learn the loops, after that it will minimize number of code. I hope you understand. If you have doubt, do comment. Thanks for watching video.